Clingmans Dome is located on the Tennessee-North Carolina border of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. To reach the trailhead, drive 7 miles up Clingmans Dome Road, which is closed from December to April. The trailhead is located at the end of a large parking area, which offers restrooms, trash receptacles, and beautiful views of the Smoky Mountains. Keep in mind this is a very popular area and parking fills quickly. Clouds, precipitation, and cold temperatures are common at Clingmans Dome, and temperatures can be 10 to 20 degrees cooler, so always bring a jacket even in summer. The hike to the 54-foot observation tower is 1.2 miles out and back, with an elevation gain of 332 feet, and it is rated as moderate. Although the trail is paved, it is too steep to be wheelchair accessible. Pets and bicycles are not permitted on the paved trail or any other trails in this area. As you begin your climb to the tower, you will see the Park Visitor Center on your right, where you can find maps, souvenirs, and information about Clingmans Dome and the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Wooden benches are provided to take breaks as you climb. At around 3/10 of a mile, you will notice to your left the access point for the Appalachian Trail, which travels 2,200 miles from Georgia to Maine. Clingmans Dome marks the highest point on the entire trail. As you reach the base of the tower at the end of the paved path, climb another 200 yards to reach the tower summit. At 6,643 feet, Clingmans Dome is the highest point in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park and in Tennessee. On clear days, the observation tower offers spectacular 360-degree views of the Smokies and beyond, and at times you can see over 100 miles.